Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how you can change the color of comments in VS Code editor. As you can see, I got a code file here and it's a JavaScript file. At the top you can see I got comments. The comments by default in gray color and my goal here is to make them red. Now to do so, I have to go to File menu, Preferences, and then click on Settings. Here simply type token color customization, and here you will get these two settings. I'm not interested in the first one, I'm interested only in the second one, token color customization. Now click here, edit in settings.json, and type here comments. So you can see by default it has picked the red color. Now let me open the script file side by side so that you can experience the magic. Okay, now let me save the setting and you will see, boom, it's red. Now let me make it a green color. I hope the green text will work. Okay, it's not working, so we have to provide a hex code. Let's try this random hex code here. So you can see the color is actually kind of a light green. So in a similar way, you can pick your own color here and just save the file. So I hope you understood how to change the color of comments in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.